Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing, and today we've got this DJI mic which is going to give the channel a very nice upgrade on sound quality and allow us to do way more projects. So today on Supercar Street Racing we got this DJI mic to check out and open up and review and test, so let's do it right now. Out here in the Supercar Street Racing auxiliary bedroom, we have this DJI microphone kit. And we're going to take a look at that right now, but first, we probably need to get a little better lighting in here for this, but here is what's in the box here when you open it up. And there is a warranty scanning code right there as well. Let's get the lights cranked up and take a look at this guy. And this came right out of the packaging with this on the bottom, just like this, and this white cardboard condom box right on top of it. And inside of this box, if we open this up, it looks like we have a nice case here for our DJI mic. And yes, it is a case of having a case, if that's the worst joke ever. Yes, it is. And inside of the DJI case, we have a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter stereo adapter cable. And we have a USB Type-C cable to USB Type-A, I believe that is called. I always get A and B confused, but I think that's A. So there's that. And we have this little furry animal thingy as well. And we only have, we do have another one. I was like, this is a 2-mic kit. There is the second furry animal for the DJI mic. And now let's get this little bad boy out of the plastic condom here and take a look at what is inside this. And let's get some better lighting on our studio lamps. We have opened up our DJI mic kit, and as soon as I opened it up, we saw this amazing little screen on top. And that is interesting. That must mean that this is the charger for it, and we do see that we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-A here that we can plug directly into our side post here on our bed side table. Let's get that unwrapped and get this plugged in. DJI has provided us with about this maybe 2-foot charging cable, and we have our USB side table there, and we did see that this started flashing immediately when we plugged this into power. And when we open the door ever so gently, we can see that amazing screen light up again. And now we have our 2 DJI mics here. And this is the receiver for the DJI mic kit. Hard to say, DJI mic kit, got it right that time, got them. So let's take a look at how this all works now. Okay, digging a little deeper into the DJI mic kit, I'll get that right one day. We have this little adapter here, and this allows you to actually connect this to your phone. So what you do is you put this in your USB Type-C port in your phone, and that way you can have audio directly from the mic recorded to the phone, which we will try in a little bit. Just a word of note, I don't believe this will work directly with a GoPro. The GoPro needs the media mod adapter in order to do audio with this, I believe. We're going to look into that more, whether we need to buy one or not for our GoPro, but that is the USB-C adapter to use the GoPro mic kit with your phone or tablet. To use the DJI mic with your mobile phone, we showed you guys the USB Type-C adapter right there. Well, what you do is you remove the little shoe off the bottom of the DJI mic, and then you slide this guy in right there. That whole thing attaches to the bottom of the phone, So we'll do that right now after we get this guy slid right on there. You see the arrows line up though? There's an arrow there, so that goes this way. We are still recording on the mic on the actual phone, but we have the phone adapter installed here. And what we're going to do right here, right now, is plug it into the side of the phone and give that a check out. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back, and now we are on the DJI Wireless Mic as we take a quick walk around the house and put you guys somewhere where we can walk away and test the quality of this microphone. Now, we do have the capability to lay down the phone because we have a wonderful kickstand on the back. So what I'm going to do right here and right now is set you guys down and then take a walk and test the DJI mic. All right, I would say maybe we are about 20 feet away from the phone now. It might be a little echoey inside the house. Now I am in the bedroom. So I have probably gone about 50 feet away from the phone now. The DJI transmitter receiver pack, the actual receiver part of it, has a little OLED screen on it that shows you the levels on the microphone. And so now I am back right in front of the phone, as you can see me walking by, going into the bedroom and now into the closet where we should have a lot better sound due to the fact that we have a lot of material in here. So this is what the DJI mic sounds like, and I keep saying DJI mic sounds like from inside of the closet, which is about 30 feet away from where the phone is actually sitting on the table. And now I am walking back towards the phone right now to grab you guys. And here we are right back at the phone. So that is a look at how that connects to the mobile phone, which is what I will be using quite a bit of here on Supercar Street Racing. All right, guys, we have the GoPro out now so we can make a comparison here and also show you what the receiver looks like when you have it connected to the phone. So you can see here how it slides into the hot shoe there, kind of adapter on the actual receiver. But the front of the phone looks like that. You can see the phone's just pointed at nothing. But what we want to do right here, right now, is take a walk. And you will be hearing audio from the DJI mic while I walk with the GoPro outside. Echo, turn on the patio. And our patio lights came on. And now we are walking around to the Supercar Street Racing Studios in complete darkness because it is 5 a.m. And we will open the studios up and come in the studio where we will turn on our outdoor lights as well. And there are the shed outdoor lights. And the air conditioning is on in here, so you will hear the whirring in the background. So let's get in here and do a little test. So here we are in the Supercar Street Racing Studios with the DJI mic. We are across the complete opposite of this wall here with the phone, which is still recording. But this is the quality level of the DJI mic, and you will definitely hear that air conditioner hum in the background. And that's the test of the mic so far. Walking back into the house from the studio. And the studio is now locked up, and if you have not seen the exterior of the studio, there is the lighting that I did, and this is still testing the DJI mic. I'll get that right one day. We are back in the Supercar Street Racing abode, and we will go back over here to our phone, which is still recording, and go ahead and stop this down and get a conclusion for this video. Okay, one thing I also wanted to show you guys about the DJI mic is this 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter stereo adapter cable, which allows you to plug this into any camera or device. With the GoPro, you need the GoPro 3.5 millimeter mic adapter to use this, so you can come out of your receiver right to the GoPro. And here is a good close-up look at the other microphone, the second microphone right here and right now, if it will ever focus for us, but there it is right there. And you can see it just slides right back in this charger there to charge, and you can see a green light on it now indicating it is charging. Here is the lightning adapter for an iPhone, which I will not be using. And then you can see right here on the back is where you plug this in to charge. And the 4 lights indicating that this is almost charged, probably 75 to 100% charged. And here's the stock shoe adapter that came with the receiver that we took out in order to place this receiver on the back of our phone. And we will go ahead and give you guys a little conclusion here of the DJI mic right now. Okay, that was a look at the DJI mic, and we just got that for the channel to try to get a little bit of an upgrade on our sound. I did notice it was kind of bassy, and I think it's because I had it right up here underneath my neck. We might try moving it down closer to our chest next time, but my overall impression of the DJI mic so far is that it's a pretty good product, and I would recommend it at this point. We're going to get some more use out of it and see if we can really get a better opinion about the DJI microphone. And don't forget to check out our links in the description and buy anything by clicking any of my links in any description, and that will hook up the channel with a little bit of cash to try to make better videos. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the DJI microphone wireless mic review on Supercar Street Racing. We'll see you next time.